Today we have a 2017 Nissan Frontier SV, 9,500 miles, clean auto check. Comes with a balance of factory warranty. Go ahead and give you a look. See, it does have a nice chrome grille with the black mesh inserts, chrome backed headlighting. See the tires and wheels. It does have alloy wheels, and tires are hand cut. Tires are almost like new. I'm going to say better than 3/4 tread on the tires. And they are a 16-inch tire and wheel combination. And this is a Super Crew, the full 4-door truck. It's gray on gray interior. There's a gray cloth bucket seats with the gray carpeting. And the back is pretty spacious. And if you need more cargo room, these seats do fold up on the bottoms like that, and then you have cargo space underneath there in those trays. And they also will fold flat, and in behind there is where your jack and your tools are, for in case you would have a flat or something along the road. That's all your tools. Rear tires, same as the front, pretty much almost like new. Has the molded factory mud flats. And chrome rear step bumper with the Frontier badging, SV 4x4. And your tailgate is lockable. And you see it does have a drop-in plastic liner. Has the sliding rear glass. And of course the seats fold up on this side just like the other side, with extra cargo storage underneath. On the door you have your power locks and your power windows. Just inside the door you have your power mirrors, you have your cargo lamps, and your hill descent button. And on your steering wheel on the left side, you have your voice recognition, have your, controls for your phone. Right side of your steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings. And the dials on the column on the left side are your headlights and your signals. And right side will be your wipers. I'll go ahead and light this dash up. And show you the current mileage is 9,950. And over here you have your audio screen with AM, FM, CD, XM radio. Below that you have your heating and air conditioning controls. You have your 2-wheel 4-wheel drive selector switch, traction control, a cubby hole to the right of that. And you have an aux port, a USB port, and a 12-volt power source. Automatic transmission selector. Have 2 nice deep cup holders, and your emergency brake. And you have a nice deep center console with another 12-volt power source tucked in there. And we'll tell you, it is a nice clean truck. No rips or tears in the interior here anywhere. No foul smoke or pet smells. Let me give you a look under the hood. You'll see it's nice and clean underneath the hood also. As for engine, you get the 4.0 V6 in that particular truck. Pretty stable engine for the Nissans. Been around for quite a while. Gives you pretty decent fuel economy, and you got plenty of power to get you up and down the mountains. It's a nice quiet running engine. Get around 260, 265 horsepower out of that motor, which is pretty good for a smaller truck. And the last thing I'm going to do on this video is walk you around and see if we can find any blemishes. We try to do these videos and be really upfront, so if you guys are interested in coming out to look at it, you can kind of watch this and get an idea of what you're coming out to see. I'll tell you there's about an inch and a half long scratch on the front bumper on the passenger side, which has been touched up. Right above the mud flap, there's a couple little scrapes that have also been touched up. Back looks good and clean. And again, there's a couple chips on the driver's side, bed side, pretty much about the same spot as the opposite side where I showed you. Again, all touched up and sealed over. Other than that, this is a real nice, clean Frontier. If you're interested in coming out to take a look, setting up a test drive maybe, you can give us a call. Our number here is 717-485-4224. Or you can look us up on our website, www.thomasata.com. Thank you.